Welcome to this tutorial on defining the site in Dreamweaver CS6. If we go to the Site menu, New Site, when the dialog appears, we will give it a site name. Any text will do here, so I'm just going to call it Week 1 Site. Next, you point to the root folder location, which is where we're going to store our local copy. So I'm going to browse, and I'm going to go to my DkIT folder, and then my 1314 folder, and then websites. And I'm going to create a new folder here for my website, and I'm going to call it Site1. Create, and then choose. So we've told Dreamweaver where our local site is going to be. Next, if we go to the advanced settings, we can tell Dreamweaver where we want to put all of our images by default, the default images folder. So again, using the browse button, we will create a new folder inside of our root folder, which is Site1, and we'll call it images. Create, and choose. So that's our local information for the moment. Just make sure that your links are relative to document as opposed to the site roof. Now we go to our servers tab, and we're going to add a new server using the plus button. This dialog will appear. We're using XAMPP, so I might call it XAMPP, or I might call it localhost, or just some name that I'll be able to recognize. We're going to connect using the local network. The server folder then, I'm going to use the browse button, go to my applications, and go to XAMPP. So inside XAMPP there's a folder called htdocs, which is HTML documents, and inside of this folder I want to create a subfolder where my website is going to be published. So I go to new folder, and again I give it a single word and create and choose. Next, the URL, and the URL is going to be the server, which is localhost, / the name of the folder, which is Site1. And now go to the Advanced tab, and in here I tell Dreamweaver that the testing server will use the server model of PHP MySQL. And now I go save. We have a line entry here for the server. I'm going to just click testing and remote. So both the remote and the testing server are the same. If I need to make changes to this, I can either double click or use the edit button. And now I go save. Dreamweaver completes everything. If I look in the File tab, we'll see here that we've got the site defined, and it gives me the location of the site, and we have the images folder in it. This concludes our site definition process.